News report: Evictions at Uriamghat today. State aims to clear 11,000 bighas. Over 1,000 bulldozers accompanied by approximately 1,500 forest personnel are set to commence the demolitions of houses built on encroached lands in remote reserve forest of Golaghat district from Tuesday morning. These actions will be one of the largest eviction drives in Assam as the government aims to clear 11,000 bighas, around 1,500 hectares of encroached forest land close to the Nagaland border. On the eve of the drive, which has raised concerns in neighboring Nagaland over a potential influx of encroachers, the local administrations in Golaghat carried out widespread announcements while urging the remaining encroachers' families to vacate the area before any conflicting situation arises. Sarba MLA Wiswasin Pukhan oversees the operations alongside senior officials from the administrations, forest departments, and police said our target is to clear the entire 11,000 bighas of encroached land. There are about 2,500 households here in encroached forest areas with a population of not less than 12,000. He added that roughly 950 families have fully shifted from the encroached forest land at Uriamghat, taking their belongings and even dismantling their own houses for materials. The remaining families have demolished around 50% of their houses, relocating women and children, while one or two persons per household remains on the land to observe the demolitions. Madhupur, Dialapur, and Pitapur, and Gerberi, and Tulipatar are among the 9 villages that received eviction notice recently. Encroachers' families were given a week to evacuate. According to Bukhan, the encroachers are primarily Miyas, a term frequently used in Assam for migrant Muslim families of Bangladesh East Pakistan origins. Several SB rank and DFO rank officers have been stationed at Uriamghat. Source said CRPF will remain stationed as a neutral force in Uriamghat at the time of the operations. The Nagaland government has issued an advisory directing district authorities to maintain vigilance and prevent entry of evicted peoples from Assam. Over the past week, more than 90% of residents from the 9 affected villages have evacuated the remote reserve forest, mostly moving towards their original homes in the central Assam's Nakhon and Morikon districts. Last week, CM Hemanta Biswas Sharma visited the area to assess the situations. His visit to the Uriamghat support officials into actions, working and accelerate pace to execute the evictions. For Sharma, removing the encroachments at Uriamghat is viewed as crucial to prevent the possibilities of these Mia Muslim families moving into Upper Assam, where indigenous tribes and communities play a decisive role unlike in Lower Assam. Thank you so much.